So I'm wearing my grandpa's high school sweater today, and it's for Noblesville High School in Indiana. Everyone is asking me if it's for Notre Dame. When my older sister used to work with me here, we matched one day, but we did not get that many questions about it as much as today. Today, every customer is asking me. If you want people to compliment you and ask you about your clothes, clearly you just need to wear vintage, and then they'll talk about your clothes. Also, I finished my water for 75 hard today way earlier than I normally ever can, because I think I was just chugging it so much more at work because I was so hot today, because I wore this sweater and it got up to 55 and the sun was just like beating down on the little shack, so it was pretty toasty in there. Taking a walk out back, and the sun literally just went down, as you can see, maybe, and it already got so much colder than it was like just 30 minutes ago. And we're in for a real snowy treat this weekend if the weatherman is not lying, which, you know, most times they are. But supposedly we're supposed to get like 5 to 12 inches of snow and ice storms and windstorms and all that beautiful stuff, so we shall see. I would love to come out here and just go sledding down these hills, because literally our whole backyard is just hills, and that would be so fun. Playing in the snow is still one of my favorite things. Literally 7 o'clock. And my eyes are so heavy, like I could go to bed right now. It's already dark outside, and I'm doing nothing, so sleep sounds like the best thing ever. I was like, oh, I could like be all cozy and watch a movie because it's like Friday night, but I open the coffee shop in the morning, so my Friday nights aren't really, you know, fun, cozy Friday nights. They're more like go to bed early because you open in the morning. But I might watch a movie since it's only 7 o'clock. Chick-fil-A lunch because, you know, if we're gonna be locked in for the next day, then I figured it'd be a nice treat before the snow and the ice comes, if it actually comes. Also, I just thought of this because I'm watching Little House on the Prairie currently, and so I was watching an episode last night, and it's kind of embarrassing because it actually made me cry, and then I was like laughing at myself because I was like, wow. I'm almost 22 years old and I'm crying at Little House on the Prairie. I hate sad movies and shows because I hate crying for stuff. I just don't like to cry, and I don't like when life is sad, so that's why I don't ever like watching sad stuff. I just like to watch all the happy stuff, nothing where anyone dies or when they're about to die or they're getting sick, nothing. But last night, that episode was a big tearjerker. And I was just laughing at myself when it was done. Like, are you kidding me? I just sat here and watched an episode of Little House on the Prairie and it made me cry. It's really funny because the cows have been mooing so much recently, like especially in the past few days. And literally right now they are like non-stop mooing. And so Silas has started communicating with them, so he will bark so loud so they can hear him, and then they'll start talking back, and then they'll just be going at each other. Honestly, I'm starting to think that we actually are going to get snow because it is freezing out here, and the sky looks like snow. I lived in Indiana my whole life, and I know what snow clouds look like, man, and these look like some snow clouds. So walk was over an hour, and as you can see, my nose is a little bit Rudolph-y moment right now. My toes are completely numb because I wear my muck boots whenever I go walking out on the property because, you know, I'm walking through some thick grass and some thick creek beds, so I like to protect my pants so they don't get all wet because I kind of go walking across the creek. It is most definitely a nacho night tonight. For some reason, some little car thought that they were going to be able to make it out on the road today. And they're currently stuck on this hill. They keep trying to go up and they keep sliding back down. It is a winter wonderland out here. Becky's never seen so much snow in her day. It's beautiful out here. I'm satisfied now. We got a good snow. Now winter can end. Just watching church from home today because it was canceled because of all that stuff. So it was pre-recorded. So I'm gonna watch that now. We're off to find us a sled. And someone can't stop texting and walking.
He only texts me like once every hour.
Found us a nice big piece of scrap metal. So hopefully it works to go down the hill. Because I've been dragging it through the snow. And it is not a light feather, let me tell you. And it came from way back there. And of course, the hill we decided to sled down is on the very far side of the property. So, it's a workout, man. It is nice, wintry workout. Thanks for joining me today live on today's WWLMOZ workout channel. Stay tuned for more wintry mix workouts where we explore Chesney in the winter time and work out in the beautiful out of doors. Thanks. I'm not sure how well this is gonna work because it's pretty thick snow and the sled, well, the makeshift sled is not the smoothest, so we're probably gonna have to really press down some tracks before we're able to go down, but hopefully it works after lugging this out there, because otherwise I gotta go back up there, find a trash can lid or something, because I'm not letting the sun go down before I get some good runs in. I mean, who knows when we're gonna have snow like this here again, you know what I'm saying? Here comes Grandma Elder of Chesney. The most thrill she's had in 8 years.
Come on, Grandma Alice.